Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to, in a Google Form quiz, take your students' results, organize them by period or hour, class hour, and then within those periods and class hours, make them alphabetical. But before I get started, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, here we go. Now, the first thing you want to do is when you have a quiz like this, what you want to do is you want to put in a question that says something like hour or period. So like first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour, sixth hour, and so on. And then after a long day or whatever, a few days of different class periods taking the quiz, what you'll do is you'll go to the responses, hit this right here, view responses in sheets, and you'll see something like this. See, I have their first name, last name, and whatever hour they are. Right now it's mostly first, second, third, fourth, as you would expect, but right here we have a student. By the way, these are all fake results. These aren't real people. But anyway, someone from first hour might have taken out a sequence, maybe did it after school or during lunch or something like that. And the same thing over here, we got two students from second hour. So how do we make it nice and neat and make the last name, make it all alphabetical by last name or first name? Well, the first thing you do is, I think normally we want the names to be alphabetical according to last name. So we'll go right here, click on the arrow and say sort sheet A to Z. But now we'll see the hours here are all off. So what we do next though is simply sort it again. Sort sheet A to Z, and now it's first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all the way down. And if you look over here within first hour, B, C, J, S, T, alphabetical, second hour, D, G, J, L, M, so and so on. So now this will be much easier to put in your grade book. And that's about it. I hope that was useful. If you like what you see, please hit like and subscribe and leave a comment. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and thank you very much.